Uzbekistan's health ministry has said that 18 children have died after drinking a cough syrup manufactured by Indian drug maker Marion Biotech. The ministry said that preliminary tests showed a batch of the medicine contained ethylene glycol, a toxic substance. The children were given the Dok-1 Max syrup without a doctor's prescription. It said the amount they consumed also exceeded the standard dose for children. The allegation from Uzbekistan comes weeks after the Gambia also linked child deaths to cough syrups made by another Indian firm. India's health ministry and Marion Biotech have not responded to the BBC's request for comment yet. Reuters cited a government source as saying that the health ministry was looking into the matter. News agency ANI quoted a Marion Biotech executive as saying that the company has halted production of the syrup temporarily. He added that the government was conducting an inquiry and that the firm would take action accordingly. Marion Biotech is based in Noida, near India's national capital Delhi. Its website is currently down, but the company's LinkedIn page says it was founded in 1999 and that its products are household names in Central Asian countries, Central and Latin America, Southeast Asia and Africa.